Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Semester Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language. So students, previously we were doing chapter number 15, which is conjunctions, and we have done and, but, and, or. Today we are going to learn use of because and so. Because and so we use to show the result. Okay. How and which way? Let's see through some examples. Okay, so let's take example number 1. I switched off the fan because it was cold. And second example, it was cold, so I switched off the fan. Okay, now see the first one. I switched off the fan because it was cold. In the second one, it was cold, so I switched off the fan. Though both the sentences are showing the result of something. Okay, but in this one where we have used because, here we are doing the thing first, then we are telling the reason why we have switched off the fan, because it was cold. But in the first one, we are giving the reason first, then we are showing the result. It was cold, so I switched off the fan. In the first one, we are telling the reason first. In the first one, we are doing the thing first, and then we are telling the reason. And in the second one, we are telling the reason first, then we are telling what we have done. I switched off the fan because it was cold. It was cold, so I switched off the fan. That's mean when we are using because, we are telling we are giving the reason. We are giving the reason. Secondly, but when we are using so, we are telling the thing first, reason first, then we are telling what we have, then we will tell what we have done. Okay. So like this, we can take more examples. You were feeling cold, so I have made tea for you. Okay, and I have made tea for you because you were feeling cold. Okay, like this you can make another examples as well. Okay, now we will learn some conjunctions which we use to express conditions like if, unless, and provided. Look at these examples. Number 1, she will buy a car if she gets a loan. She will buy a car if she gets a loan. Okay, वो कार कब खरीदेगी? जब या अगर जब उसे लोन मिलेगा. वो कार खरीदेगी अगर उसे लोन मिलेगा. If. Okay. Second one, you will not pass unless you work hard. You will not pass unless you work hard. तुम पास नहीं होगे जब तक या तुम जब तक तुम कड़ी मेहनत या हार्डवर्क नहीं करते। ओके, सो हियर वी आर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग द कंडीशन कि अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो ऐसा होगा, अगर ऐसा हुआ तो ये होगा। ओके, अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो ये हो सकता है। सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग द कंडीशन। ओके, सी दिस एग्जांपल नंबर 3, you will win the match, you will win the match provided you practice hard. You will win the match provided you practice hard. तुम मैच जीत जाओगे अगर तुम्हें प्रोवाइड कराई जाए, क्या हार्ड प्रैक्टिस कराई जाए तुम्हें, then you will win the match. Okay, she will buy a car if she gets a loan. You will not pass unless you work hard. You will win the match provided you practice hard. These words, if, unless and provided, these are conjunctions. Okay, and what they are doing, they are expressing condition कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या होगा, अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, ऐसा हो तो क्या हो सकता है। Got it? Okay, so now we will learn about the conjunctions which are time words like after, before, when, while, since, as soon as, etc. Okay, so let's see these examples. My legs hurt when I walk. When I walk. My legs hurt when I walk. मेरे legs कब hurt होते हैं, जब मैं चलता हूँ। Got it? जब means time conjunction. Okay. Next is we heard this news while we heard this news while we were watching TV. Okay, we heard this news while we were watching TV. Okay, next is we cleaned the room. We cleaned the room after everyone left. We cleaned the room after everyone left. See, these words when, while, after, these are showing a time. These are time words, conjunction for time. My legs hurt when I walk. उसके legs कब hurt करते हैं? When he walks. We heard this news while we were watching TV. किस समय उन्होंने ये न्यूज़ सुनी? जब वो लोग टीवी देख रहे थे। We cleaned the room after everyone left. इन लोगों ने रूम को क्लीन किया कब? जब सब चले गए। So we have to see what the sense is coming. After means बाद, सबके जाने के बाद. We heard the news while. When we are doing two work at the same time, then we use while. कि ऐसा हो रहा था, ये चीज हमें तब पता चला जब ऐसा हुआ, या हम ये कर रहे थे जब जिसके साथ हम दूसरा काम कर रहे थे। यहाँ ये न्यूज भी सुन रहे हैं और ये टीवी देख रहे थे। Got it? My legs hurt when I walk. कब ऐसा होता है? जब। So we have to feel the sense first. We have to read the sentence, then we think what the sense is coming out. Then we have to write the time word according that. here we can write, we cleaned the room before everyone came. It will change it. Okay, so one example will be that. And since, when we use since when we are talking about a particular time, which is a particular period of time. Like I have been working here since 2018. Here I am giving a particular time period, which is 2018. That's mean I know the perfect time. Okay, like he is coming on Monday, I'll go Delhi on Sunday. तो संडे एंड मंडे दीज आर डेज नेम विच इज कंफर्म कि हमको मुझे इसी दिन पर जाना है. ओके, या मैं ये काम इसी दिन करने जा रहा हूँ. सो दीज वर्ड्स, these days names are telling us the confirmed time. For that we are using since before them. And for the रेगुलर टाइम, जिसका हमें टाइम पीरियड पता नहीं होता है, टाइम परफेक्ट नहीं होता है, वहां पे हम फॉर यूज करते हैं उसके पहले. लाइक ही इज कमिंग हियर फॉर 2 days. ही इज कमिंग हियर फॉर 2 days. कौन से 2 दिन हम नहीं जानते. गॉट इट. फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग फॉर. एंड like he has not come to school since he broke his arm. Since he broke his arm means एक टाइम होगा जिस दिन, एक डेट, एक टाइम होगा पर्टिकुलर जिस दिन उसका हाथ टूटा है, तो उसने इन्फॉर्म किया होगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी नो कि वो उस दिन से स्कूल नहीं आ रहा है या उस दिन से वो स्कूल नहीं आएगा. गॉट इट. एंड as soon as means जितना जल्दी हो सके. I will try to complete my work as soon as possible. Okay, so these are the examples and where you can use these words. Okay, so now we have done with the chapter. Whatever I want to explain you, I explained well, I hope. Now we'll do some exercise to learn more. So here we go. I have written exercise 1. Underline the conjunctions. What we have to, I have written 5 sentences here. What we have to do, we have to find out conjunctions and underline it. Okay, so just to start reading, the number 1 is he bought grapes and apples. Which word is conjunction? He bought grapes and apples. Yes, and is the conjunction which is joining 2 sentences. It can be 2 na. He bought grapes, he bought apples. But when we combine them, what it will be? He bought grapes and apples. Got it? Now come to second one. He could not win because he was sick. वो नहीं जीत सका क्योंकि वो बीमार था. He could not win because he was sick. So what is the conjunction in this sentence? Because. Yes, underline it. Number 3, she must eat or she will starve. She must eat or she will starve. Giving option कि वो उसको खाना ही चाहिए ना, or she will starve. So this or is our conjunction. Number 4, I called him but he did not hear me. I called him but he did not hear me. That's mean which word is conjunction? But. मैंने उसे आवाज दी लेकिन उसे सुनाई नहीं दिया. Number 5, he is poor, still people like him. He is poor, still people like him. That's mean वो गरीब है फिर भी लोग उसे पसंद करते हैं. That still is our conjunction. So we have done with this exercise 1 and I hope you all understand what are conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions are those words which join 2 or more sentences together. Okay, through some words like and, because, or, but, still, after, before, soon, as soon as. Yes. Now we'll do exercise 2. Exercise number 2. What we have to do with this? Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. I have written 4 sentences here. Left the blank for the conjunctions. We have to fill their suitable conjunctions. So let's read the first one. Let's start. I failed dash I did not work hard. We are giving reasons and getting a result. So in that case we can fill 2 words, so or Because. So what will come? Here I am giving the result first. I failed. Then later I am giving the reason. I did not work hard. That's mean what will come? Because. Okay. अगर रिजल्ट बाद में होता और रीजन पहले होता तो हम सो लगाते हैं. यस, बट यहाँ पे रिजल्ट पहले है और रीजन बाद में है. दैट्स मीन हमको बिकॉज लगाना है. नंबर 2, कैच मी डैश यू कैन. कैच मी डैश यू कैन, पकड़ लो मुझे अगर तुम पकड़ सकते हो. देन तो इसमें कौन सा लगेगा? कंजंक्शन इफ. कैच मी इफ यू कैन. ओके, देयर इज अ सॉन्ग आल्सो, कैच मी इफ यू कैन. नंबर 3, द चिल्ड्रन लेफ्ट द क्लास dash the bell rang. The children left the class, the bell rang. Here we can fill 3 things. We can fill after the bell. We can write before the bell, or we can write as soon as the bell rang. We can write 3 conjunctions here. Okay, all 3 are correct. Number 4, I will wait you return. मैं वेट करूंगा जब तक तुम आ नहीं जाते. तो फॉर जब तक when we are talking about future we write until. Okay, and till we write for present to past to present. Okay, or when we are talking about present past to present. Yes, and when we are talking about future we write until. Okay, so I failed because I did not work hard. Number 2, catch me if you can. Number 3, the children left the class after the bell rang, or before the bell rang, or as soon as the bell rang. Okay. Number 4, I will wait until you return. So we have done with this chapter with the explanation, and I have done 2 exercises as well to make you understand. I hope you will understand this. Now I'll send you the notebook work and your book exercises. Thank you. Have a good day.